Alright, so now we're getting ready to do the Sprite challenge. Who's ready for the Sprite challenge? Open your sprites.
Not yet.
Okay, oh, look at that. Open this one.
Give me a tap.
Okay, here's your cap. Can you grab out of here? Oh, shake it.
You're messy. That'll be explode.
And was it? See who doesn't burp?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
One.
Hold on
Two.
first. Hold on, there it is. Hold on.
Hi guys.
Okay, now all our sprites are open.
Thumbs up
Ready,
and
Alan?
click the bell.
Ready? Go.
Need to burp it.
You need to burp. You can't burp. No burping.
Oh.
Mine's coming up.
Yeah, they always say it hurts. Oh.
Oh, I was first one to burp.
No.
I didn't burp first. Oh, dude, I burped second. Okay.
It's that to me,
Hey,
Maya.
not out. Oh.
No.
No. Okay,
This
now.
is Otter's cat.
Natalie and bro. Natalie have to drink some more. No burping. See who wins the no burping challenge of drinking Pepsi Sprite.
You almost said Pepsi.
I know, Natalie, you're about to. Look at brother. Oh, he's about to almost. Almost. Alright. Keep drinking all the way so you can drink it all without burping.
Ow, it hurt.
Oh, brother's out. Nelly, you won the challenge. Oh, just start slamming it. Well, we just got done doing the Sprite challenge.
Let's do again.
Now there was the last one. She didn't burp, but at the end, she made a loud one. Autumn was the first one out because how much did you drink? Well, I don't know. I'll barely drink a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's why I said
How much did you drink?
That's why I told you guys. Well, let's restart again. Let's restart again.
Huh? Go ahead. Go ahead.
That made me burp a lot.
Oh. Now what do you say?
Excuse me.
No, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell.
The what?
Click the